G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is the Wurth industrial cleaning wipes. Now these are fantastic. There's 90 in the bucket, or about 30 metres. They are super strong. The actual rags, and I'll pull one out in a moment, they've got like a grit in them, so to clean your hands when you're on site, it'll scrub off all the dirt. You don't need brushes or water or anything like that. Now it has a pleasant citrus or orange smell, and they're handy for cleaning your tools, your hands, and of course, like I said, when you're out on the job site, you can clean your hands if you don't have any running water. So I'm now going to take a rag out and let's have a look at it. So they're folded in half, and I open it up. Now you can see the size of the rag there. Now like I said, there's a grit on the rag, so you can really scrub, and they're really quite strong. So for cleaning your tools, and of course really scrubbing your hands. Now you'll notice that I'm getting a white soap on my hands. That'll just dry off, and my hands will feel nice and soft and a low orange smell. So let's go see the industrial cleaning wipes in action. So we've seen them in action, but I just want to let you know that they do come with the NSF logo. So they are food and kitchen safe. They're the perfect for your mobile guys. They're great in the workshop, but for mobile, when you don't have water, you've got dirty hands, you want to clean them off. You simply pull one out, wipe your hands, pop it in the bin. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth Industrial Hand Wipes, they're ready for work.